erythematous maculopapular rash, reticular pattern. Okay. So maculopapular rash would be seen with your measles and rubella as well. Reticular pattern, yes, is specific for infectious erythema infectiosum. What is the clue in the image? What is the buzzword? Yes, there's a slapped cheek appearance. Okay, it's almost like someone has slapped the kid here. See, two big red blotches here. So yes, the rashes, viral rashes can be quite confusing. What I want you all to know is any viral fever, any viral rash before it appears will have a prodromal phase, will present with fever, malaise, or some sort of upper respiratory symptoms, such as usually rhinorrhea. So there will be a prodromal phase, and it can get confusing because if you try to remember it based on that specific criteria of what kind of prodromal phase they had. Now, measles does have a very specific prodrome. It is the three C's: cough, coryza, and conjunctivitis. Coryza is basically your nasal congestion and rhinorrhea of sorts. Okay, so there is catarrhal inflammation going on. Now, yeah. So measles, in case of measles, in a USMLE question, they might give you a hint by saying that the kid had, conjunctivitis or reddened eyes or cough or coryza, which was preceded, and after that, the patient developed a particular rash. For all other viral symptoms or all viral diseases or rashes, there will be a very common prodromal symptom. So that is something that you'll have to willfully ignore, okay, unless it is very specific, like in measles. Uh, then you come on to the physical examination. Now, physical examination will show a majority of viral rashes will be erythematous and will be maculopapular, except for in chickenpox and smallpox, where you'll see vesicular formation. Talking of vesicles first, if you are to differentiate between vesicles of smallpox and chickenpox, what you need to remember is in smallpox, although it's not being asked, but that is just something for your information, all the vesicles are in the same stage of development, whereas in chickenpox, the other stages of development of all the vesicles are different. Okay, so some vesicles are healed, some are just sprouting, and some are very well formed. So that would be seen in your chickenpox, right? So because this patient is not having a vesicular rash, we are going to willfully rule out chickenpox. Then we have your measles, rubella, erythema infectiosum, and roseola infantum. Now, coming to measles, measles rash will start head down. It will start from your neck or lower part of your head, and then it will progress to the entire body, and then it will involve your face. Whereas in rubella, it will start with your face. Both rashes will be centrifugal. Rubella per se will have a very fine rash. So this is a rubella rash, and it will also present with classical symptoms. It will have a post-auricular or lymphadenopathy. It will have arthralgias, and the maculopapular rash, although it is not that clearly visible, it will be quite fine. So you basically see a blanket of red rash, and if you just look closer, these are maculopapular patches, but they are so close and so fine that you'll not be able to differentiate it from a diffuse rash per se. Okay. Then you have your measles rash. This is your measles rash. These are your Koplik spots. We have already ruled out measles. We have cough, coryza, conjunctivitis. It is Koplik spots, but you can remember it with C also. Okay. So yes, we have a classical slap cheek appearance in this scale. The head is involved. The rash is maculopapular and reticular. Reticular is a buzzword, and so our answer would be erythema infectiosum. Roseola infantum would present with a generalized rash, and there is not much of a buzzwords that you need to pay attention to. But yeah, so it is because of HHV 6 and 7, and yeah, because we are having these classical signs here, we'll go with erythema infectiosum. Unless you have no other signs left or no buzzwords that are fitting, you can go for roseola. But in USMLE, majority will not have that answer.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.